So what's the trick? Angle it down, puts you directly in the center of whatever the heck we were at before. Oh, it's right there.
23 and 8.
23 and 8.
What a tip.
Whoa, watch out now. What trick is that I'm referring to? It's about finding the center of something that isn't a nice round number. So if we take this bulkhead, for example, if you look here, you can see that we're about 23 and 1/8, which is kind of a crappy number to find the center of. So what's the trick? You take your tape, you hook it on the wall, and all you're going to do is you're going to angle it down until you get a nice whole number. I'm going to bring it down until we're at 24. Half of 24 is 12, so I'm going to make a mark at 12. And then you'll notice, when I bring it back up, we're no longer at 12. We're at 11 and 9/16, which if you do the math, puts you directly in the center of whatever the heck we were at before.
23 and 8.
23, yeah. Oh, it's right there.
23 and 8.
23 and 8.
Half. What a tip.